Hi guys, welcome back. So today we're taking a look at some of the Chinese stocks listed in both in Hong Kong as well as in US. So without further ado, let's first start off with 9988. So 9988, in fact, all Chinese stocks saw a very ugly close today on just the first day of the week, which is Monday itself, and most of the stocks have this ugly looking red candle. So 9988 is down 7% today, and we are looking at some potential supports. So this blue conversion line actually broke down earlier today, and we are actually looking at the next support potentially sending us to the $100 psychological support level. Looking at the Fibonacci from a low of 60 to a high of 118, you can see that we still have this 78.6% to fight for tomorrow, which is at 106. In the event that we break down, then we're looking towards 96 and potentially $90. In the event that we have to break out of this blue conversion line 113, then potentially we may be safe for the uptrend. So let's take a look at Baba. So for Baba, you can see that after managing to close this particular gap here, we are looking at a potential short-term top, and it's likely for us to open lower later, pushing towards 78.6% at 107.76. The next support we're looking is at this red baseline. It's currently at 103. 61.8% is at $97, just below the $100 psychological support level. Let's take a look at the other Chinese stocks like 9888 or Baidu. So Baidu today actually came close to touching its high of 147.7. Unfortunately, sellers came out during the day, and we actually pushed us down lower towards this blue conversion line at around 134 levels. The next support we're looking is at actually at this red baseline at 125. In between, there is also this $130 psychological support. We may be tested tomorrow itself. In the event it breaks down, then 124, and thereafter will be 117, 118 levels. Let's take a look at the one listed in US. So a very similar situation. You can see that this 78.6% was still a strong resistance that we actually did not break. We tested once and tested twice, but it looks like we're going to open lower later. So 78.6% is at 125.79. Next support is at this red baseline at 123, 124 levels, and thereafter will be 114 in the event that we break down the $120 psychological support level. Next up, we have JD.com. So once again, JD is pretty bearish. You can see that we actually had this breakout above this resistance, but it seems like a fake breakout. We came back down, even breaking down both the red baseline and the blue conversion line, and thereafter bounce back up. Unfortunately, we end up creating a higher low, and we end up seeing a selling pressure towards the end of the day. So we're looking at the support at this red baseline. It's currently around 235. It's not too far away, and the 78.6% is at 233 levels. Once we break that down, likely for us to retest to 213 levels, where we are seeing more support levels and more buyers potentially stepping in at these levels ahead. So for JD, similar situation. The recent low was in fact $33. The recent high 67.08. 78.6% is at 59.82. Hopefully we can hold this support later during the day. If not, 54.12 is the next support we are looking at for JD.com. Lastly, you have Meituan or 3690. So for Meituan, you can see that after hitting the 78.6%, which was also this recent high, we did a fake breakout and close lower during the day itself. And a very similar situation here. We have a very high shadow along upper wick, and this also a long upper wick. We did not actually break out above this red baseline, and we did not close above it, which was at 177 level. So this is a critical resistance that we have to clear. As for the support to watch, we're looking at this blue conversion line at 170. So on the way down, the cloud should act as a support, similar to this acted as a support. But the event that we actually break down, 170, 162 and 154 are the next supports to watch out for. So overall, we're looking at a pretty bearish day today. So hopefully buyers do step back in tomorrow. If not, it's likely for us to flush down lower towards the next Fibonacci support level, and even potentially breaking down towards the red baseline, which is a very critical support that we have yet to test for a pretty long period of time. So if there's any changes, I'll give you guys an update. Thanks for stopping by. Till we meet again. appreciate the manipulation.